Yo, it's your boy Dirty Beat, and I'm doing a follow-up video for the KILN series. If you watched the very last one, you'll see that I had a little trouble getting the temperature to read correctly, but someone named Kevin McLeod was nice enough to leave me a comment and tell me what I was doing wrong. You can't use copper wire to send the signal from the thermocouple back to the computer. You have to have special K-type thermocouple leads for the thermocouple to work properly. The thing came with a thermocouple. I cut the wire and I basically made this lead, and I'm hoping that this will solve my problem. One thing I had to do, and hopefully this will work, because if you look at my thermocouple, it's got rather big, like it's made for like big wire, and this wire is extremely thin. But hopefully the little beads that you could see that I soldered on there will make that work, and they won't fuck with the way the thermocouple wire reports a signal. Fingers crossed. So I got the wire right there. It's all hooked into the computer. I'm gonna turn it on with everything hanging out like this, and just kind of be careful just to make sure that those are hooked the right way. There's a red and a blue one, and I might have to switch them. So I have to see which way the temperature reads right now, so I'm gonna plug it back in. On the switch here. Just wait to see if it goes up. Oh, it's going down. So I got them backwards. Must have them backwards. Yep, got them backwards. I'll switch them, be right back. So I got it all switched. Close the box up, because I don't think, and cross my fingers, I don't think I'll have to get into there again. Now I'm going to plug it back in. Turn it on. We'll see how it goes this time. I did buy this $17 pyrometer, which I would tell you guys, don't waste your money. It does sort of work, and I will double check the kiln with it, but I don't think it's worth the $17. And it's reading the same temp that this thing was when I first turned it on. This thing, of course, is now in Celsius, and that is the annealing temp in Celsius. That's the equivalent of 1050 Fahrenheit. And so now I'm going to double check with this stupid thing. So I got it set to 540 Celsius, which you can see is like 1000 Fahrenheit. I just barely switched it, so this will probably come down to more like 1000. I had done that sensor correction, but it wasn't really necessary. The more I let the kiln run, the more I realized it's actually all I really had to do was use the right wire for the thermocouple. And now it seems to be reading great. Awesome. So if you're trying to build this kiln, and hopefully you won't make the same mistake as me, if you were following my videos and you did, that's how to correct it. It's a pretty easy fix. Thanks Kevin McLeod for the comment, helping me solve my problem, and thank you all for watching. Dirty B out.